In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Sheets from one Google account to another. This is a straightforward process, and by following along, you'll be able to seamlessly move your data without any hassle. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open the specific Google Sheet you wish to transfer. Make sure you're logged into the original Google account where the sheet resides. Once you've got your document open, what you'll need to do next is locate the Share button. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the Share button, a dialog box will appear. In this step, you'll be required to enter the email address of the other Google account you wish to transfer this sheet to. Be careful when typing the email to ensure it's correct, as this will dictate who receives access to your Google Sheet. It's particularly important that this is the account where you want the ownership to be transferred. After entering the email, click on the Send button. This sends an email invitation to the other Google account, inviting it to view or edit the sheet based on the permissions you set. At this point, the recipient account will have access to the sheet, but not ownership yet. Now, let's continue. Go ahead and click on the Share button once again. We have to change some permissions to enable the transfer of ownership to the other account. Within the sharing settings, locate the area where you can modify permissions. You'll find a small drop-down menu next to the account you've just invited. Click on this drop-down menu and set the permissions to Editor. This is crucial because the account needs edit access to become the new owner. Once you've ensured the account is set as an editor, look for the Make Owner option. Click on it to transfer ownership. You may be prompted to send an ownership transfer invitation. If so, simply click on Send Invitation. This action sends a notification to the second account, allowing it to accept ownership. Finally, after completing these steps, click Done. The recipient will receive an email alerting them of the ownership transfer. They'll need to accept this transfer to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Google Sheet from one account to another. Remember, the transition won't be finalized until the other party accepts the ownership. I hope you found this guide useful and it helped simplify the process. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be glad to assist. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.